We're a fourth generation company, and we've been around since 1944. It originally started with Scott and David Sobel's grandfather, and originally he was mostly in the laundry business. You know, over the years, our expertise in cleaning continued to expand. Fred Sobel, Scott and David's father, came into the business, and really we got into everything from jan sand to, again, they were already doing laundry, but into then what they call warewashing, which is dishwashing and that kind of stuff. So really, anything to take care of your facility, that continued to expand our expertise in making soaps and making cleaning products. In 1986, Scott came back into the business and decided to create a separate division, and that division was specifically designed to go after the car wash industry. And so his dad continued to run the jan sand, warewash, laundry business, and Scott went off on to that other venture, which was developing and manufacturing car wash chemistry and selling car wash chemistry. Then in 1992, Dave Sobel, Scott's brother, came into the business, and as we all know, two heads are better than one. And like a lot of small, successful businesses, you end up getting a couple people in there that have good personalities, and they kind of work together. So Dave ended up being the beans and bullets, kind of the logistics guy, doing operations. Scott kind of took on the role of the president and sales. And really the company took off, and it really made a big difference for us. Product quality, consistency, all those kind of things started to come into shape under David. And we really started becoming what I would say a really good regional company. In 2003, they sold off the rest of the business, the warewash, jan sand, and laundry business. I believe their dad retired at that point. I think he kept a few key clients or whatever, but pretty much retired, so Fred was out of the business. And the Sobels, at that point, focused solely on car wash, and car wash was king. And that's how we became what we are today, which is a business that is totally dedicated to vehicle cleaning, and that's all we do. You know, one of the things that we're really proud about is, and I've mentioned it before, we have good old-fashioned business values, and one of the things the Sobels really believed in, it was something that Sonny's believed in, and it was the reason the synergy of our companies coming together was so great, was you can't sell what you don't have. So at any given time when you walk out there, we have 3 million pounds of finished goods sitting on the shelves. We're one of the few companies in the industry that if you order 2-3 truckloads from us tomorrow, we can ship in 24 hours. We're really proud of that, really dedicated to that. And actually we've doubled down on it. We want to make sure that we have the fastest lead times and the best availability in the industry. In 2017, we were acquired by Sonny's Holdings, and we became a solely owned subsidiary of Sonny's Holdings, and that's why now we're Sonny's Chemistry by Diamond Shine, and really it was a match made in heaven. Very little to no conflict in our distributor channels. We believe in the same principles of making solid products that deliver all the time for our customers, making sure we have the product on the shelf, making sure we have short delivery times, making sure we're very, very dedicated to having solid car wash people that go out and help our customers. And we believe in helping our customers make money. So it's not just about making a good product and helping them save money. We believe in creating programs and processes that help our customers go out and make money. And so it was really exciting for the two companies to go together and really kind of create a hockey stick effect for our growth. We were growing really well, but then Sonny's came along and we took off. And so, it's actually one of the greatest joys of my life is that we've been able to give a lot of people opportunities. This industry has been very, very good to me personally and my family. And for me to be able to offer that opportunity to some other young people coming into the industry has just been wonderful.